So welcome back, you guys. I hope you guys like my new look. If you guys wanna see how I got this sleek bun, stay tuned because your girl will be giving you tips using Eco Styler. Okay, but stay tuned, you guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you could be notified every time when I post a video. All right, let's get into this thing. Okay, so for the sake of this video, first of all, let me moisturize my lips. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue to do it like this, but it's gonna be neater. It's not gonna be frizzy. I'm trying to look at the camera instead of myself, so if I don't tend to look at the camera, forgive me. All right, I'm gonna just take this down. I had it in like twists or whatever, so I just took those out, and then I just put it in this because I had to go to work. So for the sake of this video, I'm hungry. Your girl hungry. I ain't ate all day, and it's 6:07. So let's get to it. So I got the sleek brush or whatever, sleek brush, and I got my wave brush. Your girl finna show these waves up. You know what I'm saying? All right, so I'm gonna use this Eco Styler. First of all, let me wet this. First of all, I just got some water in this bottle that I use. It's really not rectangular, it's just water. So let me start off. So right here, I'm just basically wetting my hair so I can have it smooth, because you don't want anything lumpy and bumpy when you're trying to do a sleek bun. So when you wet your hair, it'll be easy to manage, at least for me to say. So yeah. Right now, I'm just brushing the sides and the back, and of course, talking. Great time on. I'm gonna show y'all some videos of my passion twist, and I tell y'all, it was a nightmare. Okay, at first that was okay. It was kind of something different. I never had passion twist or anything like that, but I was just like, wow, like really. I'm gonna just give y'all the rundown, okay, on passion twist and what I think about passion twist and if it was done right in my head. So that's a whole nother video. But I'm gonna just sleek my hair down in the back. So like I said earlier, I'm just gonna sleek, and until it's not bumpy and stuff anymore. So yeah, just like a makeup artist, you're gonna blend. I'm about to sleek. And sometimes you can also go in sections, but this time I didn't do that because, like I said, I already had combed my hair and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna wet it a little bit more, which I'm just dipping it, that's all, so I can manage it more. So I'm gonna use the wave brush and try to like kind of smooth it out, so I won't have lumps and clumps all in my head. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna use. Okay, now after that, I'm just gonna get the back, because your girl can't be having naps in the back and having waves in the front, if you know what I mean. Okay, yeah, this is a workout trying to do natural hair. I went natural and I got my last perm in 2015. Okay, so after that I let it grow out, and I said, you know what, I'm not gonna do no big chop. I didn't do a big chop. I just let it grow out, and I did like transitioning styles, like it probably would look crazy, but I put on a lot of wigs, and you know, back then we really didn't have the lace fronts and stuff like that. They really wasn't popping, you know what I'm saying? But for right now, I'm gonna use this Eco right here. Put it right there. Okay. And put it all on my edges, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do the same for the other side. Basically, this video is self-explanatory. So before you even start putting the Eco Styler, just make sure that you part your hair, either middle part or side part, whatever part you choose. I just decided to do a middle part because I was hungry and ready to get up out the house, okay? But if you do want a video on sectioning my hair and then just putting products while sectioning it, if that makes sense, I will do it. So basically, I'm just smoothing out my hair, making sure I really don't have any lumps. If you do have any lumps or anything like that, just take your sleek brush and brush over it, and then go over it again with your wave brush, and then that'll smooth it out. So right now you see me turning around trying to show you guys. I really didn't know that my hair was all the way down. I'm sorry, I apologize, I couldn't see. But I'm just smoothing it out, and you see me go in with a sleek brush to smooth out all the lumps and stuff that I did film when I was brushing my hair. Remember, this is a sleek bun, so try to get it sleek as possible. Even though I'm not wearing my hair up, I still like my back smooth. So once you gather all your hair in one hand, some people can't do their hair in one hand and put it in one hand. You can split it up. If you want a video on that, I can show you as well. But yeah, I just got my hair in the back, just putting it up in the ouchless pony. And while it's in the ponytail holder, I'm just use this sleek brush one more time. It's just like makeup, to be honest. You gotta blend, blend, blend. So I'm a sleek with this sleek brush. Not sponsored, by the way. Okay, one time for the people in the back. Do y'all see that sleekness? Honey, you can't pass this hairstyle up. It's so neat, elegant, professional. Let me know if you guys like this hairstyle too. Alright, for the back, all I'm gonna do is break it in two. Probably should turn around and show y'all. Do I have something on my neck? Okay, I'm gonna just turn around and show y'all how I break it in two. So right here, you can see how dirty my hair is, but I didn't mind putting the Eco Style because I am going to wash it. So right here, I'm just wrapping my hair around one way and using a bobby pin, and you will see me wrap the other half of my hair that I split around the other way to create that big bun, and you'll see me use another bobby pin to secure it. Okay, I'm back. Got my black scrunchie. If you see something moving, that's my sister. Say hey. So right here, I did find a black scrunchie. I used 2 bobby pins back there, and also I put a black scrunchie around the bun to make sure that it's good and secure. Okay, let me get a little closer because it takes a lot of concentration when you're doing your edges. So, see, like that, I just take out my natural baby hairs like that, and I kind of leave them, if that make any sense. No. and I just tie him up. And I like this sleek bun, especially when I'm working. It's not in your face. You gotta worry about it all the time. But yeah, so I'm gonna just tie this up in my headscarf. The lighting went down, but I'm completely done now. This is the final result. I'm just turn around and show you guys my edges or whatever. Hope I'm in the camera. Everything is laid. Everything is laid, honey. Okay. This is the back. Just did a bun, as you can see. But yeah. So anyway, if you guys would like more videos, just stay tuned. Okay, guys. Bye.